Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video, day 6 of my 24 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series. So as I'm sure you're aware by the title, today's video is an unboxing, the first of December's unboxings. But before we get into that, of course, we have to do our advent calendars. So let's get on with opening up and see what we've got inside day number 6. Okay, so starting with Look Fantastic, as always, day number 6 is up here on the top row. So let's pull this out and I shall show you before I have a look so you can see. No, you can't because it's in tissue. Alright, what we got? Ooh, definitely feels like a tube of something today. Ooh. Okay, it's Philip Kingsley. So, hair care brand Philip Kingsley. And this is the Elasticizer Therapies. It's got Mayan Vanilla and Orange Blossom. Ooh, deep conditioning treatment. Okay, don't think I've had this one. We have had plenty of Philip Kingsley this year in subscription boxes. Sorry, I think my ring light's a bit bright. There we go, there we go. I think this is a 30ml tube. No, this is a 40ml tube. I was nearly right. 40ml tube. So, yeah, that'll be awesome to go in my hair care bag upstairs. So, day number 6 from Look Fantastic. Let's go on to Box of Goth. And here we go, day number 6 from Box of Goth is also a tube of something, but this has got to be a full size because it's rather large. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Ooh, we've got a shower cream. Oh, and it's coconut. I adore coconut. By Panettone. I think I've heard of this brand, but I'm not 100%. Let's just have a look. Okay, and apparently this is an American brand, and it comes under the umbrella of On and Off Beauty. There we go. So, like I say, this is full size. It's a 200ml. And, yeah, that'll be lovely. I adore coconut. Let's just have a quick sniff. Oh. Yeah, yum, yum, yum. Item number 6 from Box of Goth. Right, so let's get into today's unboxing. Like I say, this is the first one for December. Really, really excited because this box is not normally the first one that I get. So it is Box of Goth. Yay! December's Box of Goth is here, everybody. If you don't know what Box of Goth is, this is a UK-based gothic and alternative lifestyle subscription box. It's literally a one-woman show, so very, very small. It costs £26.50 a month, including your postage and packaging to receive. She does, however, do, you can buy them as a one-off box, and sometimes at the end of the month, once all her sub-boxes have gone out, if she's got any left over, you can buy them as one-offs as well. I think they're a wee bit more expensive. Please do head over to Nikki's Instagram or onto the Box of Goth website page. I will of course link details below, so where it says show more in the description box, click that and everything will come up for you. Okay, here we go. Let's see what goodies we've got. Ooh. Ooh, oh, I see a face mask. First of all, I see a face mask. This is awesome, yay! And it's the moon goddess one. It's the phases of the moon. Ooh, look at that. Very similar in design and style to the one we received in November's occult box. It's got the elasticated ear loops, and they are adjustable, so you can make them bigger or smaller. But that is fantastic. I really do love that, and that'd be great. Now I've got a spare one for when my occult box Ouija board one is mucky and in the wash. I've got this one as well. Yes, awesome. And item, oh, item number 2 is incense cones by the brand Stanford, which are a really good brand of incense sticks and cones, I have to say. One of my personal favourites, we have white sage. These are awesome. You have to have these in your house, everybody, for when you're wanting to do some cleansing and smudging. You should always use, or personally I should say, I like to use a sage bundle for my smudging around all my rooms. And then what I do after that is I go around with my Palo Santo and I bless the space. But whilst I'm smudging, I like to have white sage, either incense sticks or cones, burning at the same time, just to give the energies and those spirits a little bit of an extra kick, you know. Thank you for visiting, however, it's now time to clear the space, you know. Smell absolutely beautiful. I can't describe the smell to you. It's like, it's quite, I find white sage quite a gentle scent, not too overpowering, and quite a fresh scent as well. Yeah, lovely. So, excellent. That will go in my cupboard and my stock over underneath my altar. Next one. Oh, wow. We've got a pin badge. And it's in a crescent moon, which it feels wooden, and then it's been painted yellow. And then, obviously, there's our pin on the back. Now, that's not in any outer packaging or anything. That sort of tends to tell me this is handmade, potentially by Nikki herself, the lady who runs this box. So that's fabulous. That will go with the rest of my collection that I am slowly but surely accumulating. Next item in the bag, or the box I should say. Oh, we've got a couple of crystals. Ooh, there we go. They've come in a little white organza bag. And I'm not quite sure what these ones are. I feel as though I should know what they are. I think one might be white quartz. Moonstone. There we go. I knew I should know it. Moonstone is a natural crystal mineral that is thought to harvest the energy of the moon. It is used as a traveller's stone, a cleansing stone, and a gem to aid in focus and awareness. Moonstones come in a variety of colours. The body colour can range from colourless to grey, variants of blue, brown, yellow, green or pink. Now I think I have got a moonstone and it is more of the grey sort of colouring. Let's have a look. These look a bit more on the browny spectrum. There we go, I'll show you these in a little closer up detail. So we've got two. There's one, can you see? You've got sort of the grey, the beige sort of colour. And then this one, this is beautiful. This has got some right striations in it. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Again, these seem to have been sort of smoothed with a polishing cloth or something, but that's fantastic, and they will be going in my little altar box that again we got in the occult box in November. So that is item number 4. I'll pop my little piece of paper back in there as well. Item number 4, lovely. Now we have something with a Box of Goth sticker on it, which is all wrapped up. So let's have a look at this. Oh wow, it's a crescent moon necklace. Ah, look at that. I do love the fact that you generally tend to get necklaces on these black cords. I just think they're so brilliant. Less chance of being allergic to them. And this is, although it's like a cutout shape, so hang on, if I get hold of that, you can see, look, ooh, can stick my finger through. But it's quite chunky actually. So yeah, really like that. So we have another necklace. And ooh, is this a matching bracelet? Here we go. And this actually says stainless steel, which is fantastic. And again, it's got a little crescent moon on it. Let's take it out of the packaging and have a look. I think this has got to be a bracelet. It looks like it. Yes. Yeah, it's, oh, what do they call it? Is it a curb link chain bracelet? There we go. Oh, that's super. Love that. And again, quite a chunky little crescent moon on there. That's lovely. I think we've got a bit of a crescent moon theme going on this month, don't you? Item number 6. Item number 7. Ooh, what's this? This is a little bag. Oh, I like this. It says, "Stay Wild, Moonchild" on it. Yes, I definitely like that. This is definitely like a lunar themed box with the moonstones, the crescent moons, the phases of the moon face mask. Okay, and this is from the company Westfield Mall. Is that what that says? Westford Mill, nearly. Westford Mill, and it says it's the natural choice. So it must be like a natural cotton or bamboo. Oh, good thick sturdy zip on the top of there. And a nice little makeup bag, toiletry bag, pencil case, whatever you want to use that for. You could even use it for your incense cones, you know. Keep your incense cones in it, keep your jewellery in it, keep your crystals in it, or even keep your face mask. Whatever you want to use something like this for. That just a really, really nice little handy bag. If you're anything like me and you've got a massive handbag, that would fit in no problem. Or you could use that as a little handbag or clutch bag if you wanted to as well. Next item out the box. Oh, okay. Got a little message on the top of this here. It says, "Please open carefully. The cork is not sealed." Okay. And it's in bubble wrap, so I am going to be very, very gentle, she says. Oh, it's ritual bath salts. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, there we go. There's the packaging. Look at that. We've definitely got some herbs and flowers or something in there. Oh, there's lavender. There is fresh or dried lavender in there. I can smell that straight away. That smells really, really nice. Let's have a look and see what it says. This is to restore calm and release negativity. Contains Himalayan salt rock, coarse and fine, Epsom salts, dried rose petals and dried lavender. Fantastic. Oh, that's really lovely. There's the little card that came with it. And I love this little jar. That's fantastic. So there we go. That's the next item out of the box. We also have what looks like a bookmark with the phases on the moon of it, and it says, "The moon made me do it." That's my excuse every time. Every time. It was the moon. The moon made me do it. Don't matter what it is and what part of the cycle the moon's in. The moon made me do it. Oh, and we have another little thing with the Box of Goth sticker on, also wrapped up, but this one in purple tissue paper. Oh, it's like she knows me so well. Is this another bit of jewellery? Oh, no, it's like a bag charm in like an antique bronze. Oh wow, I mean you could put that like on your keys, a key ring, key charm, whatever you wanted on your handbag. You could even click it onto your little makeup bag or pouch or whatever we're calling it. Lovely jubbly, I like that. And what else have we got in here? Oh wow, this is such a cute little wooden sign. Oh wow, don't let anybody steal your magic. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is awesome. I'm going to have to try and figure out a way of hanging that up behind me on my display. Yeah, definitely wooden. I thought it was. Yeah, I like that. Nice little saying just to keep reminding yourself if you're feeling down or something. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And is this our artwork this month? Because we normally do get a bit of artwork in here. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm going to have to get this up on my backdrop as well. Yes, it is our artwork for this month. And it's obviously, again, the phases of the moon with a pair of hands held up to it and cupping it at either side. That's brilliant. So, we have our artwork. We have our empowerment sign. We have our little pouch with our bag charm. We have our bookmark. We have our white sage incense cones. We have our ritual bath salts. We have our moonstone crystals. We have our crescent moon pin badge. We have our lovely crescent moon necklace. We have the matching crescent moon bracelet, which is stainless steel, which is fantastic. That means I won't be allergic to it. And we have our phases of the moon face mask. Wow. That's quite a good jam-packed box, isn't it, everybody? Yeah? For £26.50, that's not bad at all. What's my favourite item this month? I think I have to say it's a joint. There's a joint second for me this month. I think it's the face mask and the bracelet. But please let me know what's your favourite item in this month's Box of Goth down in the comments section below, along with any other thoughts, feelings and feedback. Thank you for watching, everybody. As always, if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, please do hit that thumbs up button so that YouTube will know you're enjoying my content and hopefully promote my little micro channel a wee bit more. I don't just do gothic and alternative subscription box unboxings. I have some beauty box subscription box unboxings that I do, makeup looks. I have a live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That's a virtual get together. Come along, bring your favourite beverage, get your feet up, get comfy and help me and whoever else is in the live stream put the world to rights. Basically, we talk about anything and everything. It's a very open-minded, supportive and inclusive community over there that we seem to be building. So if that sounds like somewhere you'd like to be on a Friday evening, 8 PM UK time, please do join us for that. I'm also involved with my friend Lisa from Authentic Beauty, and we have a joint Facebook page called Making It Authentic. I will pop the details down here for you now. Again, another social media platform for you to interact with everybody in the community, promote yourself if you have your own business. Yeah. So again, please do search that and join in on there. You can also, of course, message me and follow me on Instagram, everybody. Again, details down here for you now. If you would like any tips, tricks, recommendations, if you have any video suggestions for me, please do feel free, like I say, to private message me on there. I think that's everything for today, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!